How to make the selective wave effect. Today's video is sponsored by the famous TikToker, Stanley Kubrick. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a displace node. Bring a fast noise node, and connect it to the displace. Adjust the sliders of the fast noise to your liking. Right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with XY path. Go to the Modifiers tab, double-click to the X and Y to reset them. Right-click to the X value, and select to modify it with anim curves. Select the displace node, change the type to XY, and increase the refraction slider. Now the displace is all over the frame. To fix that, just select the fast noise node, and add a mask on it. Adjust the position of the mask and the effect will be applied only to that part. By adjusting the soft edge slider, you can smooth out the displacement. What I like to do, is to bring a masked clip of my subject into the flow. Add a bitmap node in empty space, and connect the masked clip on it. Now I have again a soft edge slider to control the smoothness of the displacement. Connect the bitmap to the fast noise as a mask. Add a glow node between your clip and the displace node. Bring down the shine threshold, choose the color that you want, right-click to the gain slider and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, and bring down the smoothness slider. Bring another bitmap node in empty space. Connect your masked clip to this node, and then to the glow as a mask. Now you can adjust the soft edge of this bitmap, to smooth out the glow separately. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, stop complaining about free stuff.